Well, it's March, time for another amazing mystery box. It's the Doctor Who Gallifreyan edition. This one's got Edward VI and Mary I. So, interesting stamps as ever. Let's have a look. Let's see what we've got inside. So, we have the Silence. That's a nice figure. That's almost the whole set of the range they've given away now for that series. That's brilliant. We like the Silence. We have Doctor Who and the Sunmakers, a Target novel, which I love. I think it's going to be a good one. We've got a... I won't get annoying, will I? It's a soft plushie, keyring. Yes, be quiet. This is the weakest item. It is a head bobble doll thing, but these were in like bargain shops, pound shops, things like that. So that's a bit of a filler. Ooh, this is nice. This is well, I got the feeling this isn't the Gallifreyan box. I think they've sent the next box up again because this is a first day signed cover, signed by Sarah Sutton, who played Nyssa. So that's very nice. And I imagine a plate, because I've seen this style of packaging before, that they taped it up. Let me just carefully open it. So it's a plate, but who is it of? Let's have a look. It's back of a plate. Oh, Sylvester McCoy. I did not expect that. So I think they've sent the next box up, whatever it's called, the 49 quid one, because that's a really nice set and a signed item. So yeah, great stuff, that's a good one.